Good morning, students. Today we will do some questions of series and parallel combination of resistance. We will discuss about Ohm's law and some questions already in the previous video. Today we will discuss some more questions on series and parallel combination only. Now this is first. These are four circuits. Circuit first, second, third, and fourth. And what we have to find the equivalent resistance across AB. Find equivalent resistance across A and B in all these given questions. So these points AB, 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 AB. There are four questions. तो बच्चों जैसे हमें दिख रहा है फिगर में, in first question there are three resistors 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and 2 ohm are connected across AB, and this connection is end to end. It means the end of this resistance resistor is connected to the end of the other resistor, and the end of this resistor is connected to the end of the other resistor. It means it is the series grouping of these three resistors. Therefore, we can say what is R equivalent? The resistance is become R1 plus R2 plus R3. ये हम देख चुके थे लास्ट क्लास में. It becomes 2 plus 2 plus 2. It becomes 6 ohm. This is first question solved. Now moving to second question. In this question we have three resistors and these three resistors are connected in parallel. देखिए बच्चों इस तीनों resistors parallel में connected है. Hence we can say what is R equivalent? 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. ये parallel combination के फॉर्मूला में डिस्कस कर लिया बच्चों. Now the value of R 1 upon R is equal to, the value of R1 is 3, R2 is 3, and R3 is also 3. It becomes 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, or we can say 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say R is equal to 1 ohm. Equivalent resistance of the combination is 1 ohm. Now moving to the third question. In this circuit, we have given three resistors: 3 ohm, 2 ohm, and 4 ohm. First of all, you have to see this circuit very carefully, because in this circuit 2 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistor are connected in parallel. बच्चों 2 ohm का resistor, 2 ohm resistor और 4 ohm resistor ये दोनों कैसे कनेक्टेड हैं? पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड हैं. और उसके बाद ये 3 ohm का जो resistor है ये सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है with the combination of 2 and 4 ohm. Therefore, first of all we simplify the circuit. Then first of all you have to find the equivalent resistance of 2 and 4. Let it will be Rp, because these two resistors are connected in parallel. It becomes 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. पहले बच्चों हम केवल इनका ही सॉल्व करेंगे. आप एक साथ सॉल्व मत कीजिए बच्चों दोनों को. पहले आप जो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन वाले इनको सॉल्व कर लीजिए, उसके बाद फिर सीरीज वाले को सॉल्व कर लीजिए बाकी. तो बच्चों इसको हम पहले इन दोनों को ही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं केवल. तो जिसे आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों, आप एलसीएम लेंगे, it becomes 4, it becomes 2 plus 1, or we can say 3 by 4. This is the value of 1 upon Rp. Or implies Rp becomes 4 by 3. It means the equivalent resistance of 2 ohm and 4 ohm is 4 by 3. As we have just calculated the equivalent resistance of 2 and 4 ohm, now we reconstruct this circuit. This circuit is reconstructed as, this is the resistance of 3 ohm, and the combination and the equivalent resistance of this 2 ohm and 4 ohm is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 ohm, and these 2 points A and B is shown in the figure. Now you have to find the equivalent of this 3 ohm and this 4 by 3 ohm resistor. As you can see, this is end-to-end connection. Hence, we can say these two resistors are connected in series. Therefore, what is R equivalent? R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. Yeah, we can say R1 plus RP. What is the first resistor? Is 3 ohm. And what is the second resistor? Is 4 by 3. So we can say 9 plus 4 by 3, or we can say it's 13 by 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance of the combination. This is the part third. Now, moving to the question number 4. There are 5 resistors, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm and a 5 ohm resistor. And this grouping is little bit typical grouping, in which we can see a series grouping as well as parallel grouping. First of all, as you can see, this 6 and 3 ohm resistor are connected in parallel, and similarly this 3 and 6 ohm resistor are connected in parallel. First of all, you have to find the equivalent of this resistor in these two resistors and these two resistors individually. Now, as we can see, these two resistors are connected in parallel. It means 1 upon Rp is become 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. R1 is 3 ohm and R2 is 6 ohm. It's 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, or we can say 18. 6 plus 3, or we can say 9 by 18. This is 1 upon Rp, or we can say Rp is equal to 18 by 9, or we can say it is 2 ohm. It means the equivalent of this combination is 2 ohm. And similarly, you can see a 6 and 3 ohm resistor connected in the next combination. It means the combination of these two resistors will also be 2 ohm. Now, we reconstruct the circuit in simpler form. Now we got this type of combination, this type of circuit, where the equivalent of 3 and 6 ohm we have just calculated is 2 ohm, and similarly the combination of this resistor and these two are 2 ohm, and this resistor is of 5 ohm is connected in this way. Sorry. Now, as you can see in the figure, these two resistors, 2 ohm and 2 ohm, are connected end to end. It means this is series combination. Now you have to find the equivalent of these two resistors, and let's say it is Rs. What is Rs? It is the equivalent resistance of this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm. As they are connected in series, it becomes R1 plus R2. The value of R1 is 2 ohm and R2 is 2 ohm. It becomes 4 ohm. Now again, reconstruct this circuit in simpler form. The equivalent of these two resistors is just calculated, which is 4 ohm. Therefore, it becomes 4 ohm resistor, and this is a 5 ohm resistor. Now you can see 4 and 5 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. Therefore, the equivalent resistance of the combination becomes 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. Or we can say, taking the LCM of these two terms, we can take it becomes 20, or we can say 5 plus 4, or we can say 9 by 20. Now, what is R? It's 20 by 9 ohm. This is the required answer of the combination of resistors, of the equivalent resistors of the combination. तो बच्चों ये टॉपिक आपको शायद समझ में आ गया अच्छे से. हमने क्या किया इसमें, जब सर्किट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है तो उसको हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करते हैं. सिंपलेस्ट सर्किट उसे कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, और देन उसको फिर इंटीग्रेट कर, उसको मतलब हम सिंपलर से सिंपलर सर्किट में लेके आएंगे, और देन वी कैन इजीली सॉल्व द आंसर ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ we have taken some questions based on Ohm's law and the combination of resistors. Suppose we have two resistors, 2 ohm and 3 ohm, and thus connected by an external source of 10 volt. But we have given two resistors, 2 ohm and 3 ohm, connected in series and connected by an external source of 10 volt. Suppose the circuit is connected with an ammeter A and a voltmeter V as shown in the figure. बच्चों शायद ये टर्म्स छूट गई हमारे पास जब हमने कुछ सर्किट के जो कुछ सिंबल्स पढ़े थे वहां पे भी टर्म्स मैं दिखाना भूल गया था, तो मैं यहाँ पे दिखा देता हूँ आपको ये क्या होता है. बेटा अमीटर होता है जो हमारे पास, अमीटर का सिंबल होता है बच्चों ए. और अमीटर क्या होता है? इट इज अ डिवाइस, इट इज एन इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस. अमीटर बच्चों एक इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस है विच कैन मेजर द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को मेजर करता है. ठीक है बच्चों, जो डिवाइस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को मेजर करता है उसे हम बोलते हैं अमीटर. सिमिलरली और सिंबल उसका होता है ए. सिमिलरली देखते हैं आपकी नेक्स्ट वोल्ट मीटर. वोल्ट मीटर बच्चों डिनोट करते हैं वी से, इस तरह से. अब वोल्ट मीटर क्या होता है बच्चों? इट इज एन इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट, सॉरी, इट इज एन इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस which is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. What is the use of voltmeter? It is an electrical device which is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electrical circuit. तो बच्चे क्वेश्चन हमारे पास इस तरह से है. We have to find the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन बच्चों. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें रीडिंग ऑफ अमीटर और वोल्टमीटर फाइंड करनी है. एज यू नो, अमीटर measures the current flowing in the circuit and voltmeter measures the potential difference. As you see in the figure, the voltmeter V is connected across 3 ohm resistor. It means this voltmeter will measure the potential difference between these 2 points, and these 2 points are across 3 ohm. It means we can say this voltmeter measure the potential difference between across 3 ohm resistor. This voltmeter measures potential difference across 3 ohm resistor, and this ammeter measures the current flowing in the circuit. Now first of all, you have to find the equivalent resistance of the combination. जैसे हम लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किया था बच्चों, हमें करंट फाइंड करनी है या पोटेंशियल फाइंड करना है. सबसे पहले आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करना होता है. एज यू कैन सी, these two resistors are connected in series, therefore the equivalent resistance Rs becomes R1 plus R2, and it becomes 2 plus 3. It becomes 5. This is the equivalent resistance of the combination. Now what is current? Current flowing in the circuit. The current flowing in the circuit I using Ohm's law is equal to V upon R. What is Rs? Rs is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Now from the figure we can see the reading of the voltage applied is 10 volt, and the resistance we have just calculated is 5 ohm. It means 12. बच्चों जो इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में जो करंट फ्लो हो रही है उसकी वैल्यू है 2 एम्पीयर. इट मींस रीडिंग ऑफ अमीटर इज 12. बच्चों में देख हमने पढ़ लिया है कि जो अमीटर है बच्चों क्या मेजर करता है, वो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की वैल्यू मेजर करता है. क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट सर्किट में 2 एम्पीयर फ्लो हो रही है, तो इट मींस द रीडिंग ऑफ अमीटर इज 2 एम्पीयर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द रीडिंग ऑफ वोल्टमीटर आल्सो. For that calculation, we have to find the potential difference across 3 ohm resistor. Potential difference the potential difference across 3 ohm is V, and using Ohm's law, what is V? V is the current flowing through that resistor into resistance of and into resistance. So as we just calculated, the current flowing in the circuit is 2 ampere, and this resistor is connected in series. This combination connected in series, hence we can say a 2 ampere is the current flowing through the circuit, or we can say the current flowing through 2 ohm and 3 ohm will be 2 ampere. It means current becomes 2 ampere, and the value of R means the resistance जिसके अक्रॉस हमें रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, which is of 3 ohm into 3, it becomes 6 volt. It means reading of voltmeter is 6 volt. बच्चों इस टॉपिक में हमने दो टर्म्स और पढ़ी हैं, अमीटर और वोल्टमीटर. अमीटर क्या होता है बच्चों? इट इज एन इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस which is used to measure the electric current flowing in the circuit. And what is potential difference? It is an electrical device which is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electrical circuit. ये दो टर्म्स हमने पढ़ी बच्चों, अमीटर और वोल्टमीटर के बारे में. और आई होप कि आपको ये क्वेश्चंस हमने आज किए बेस्ड ऑन सीरीज एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स और बेस्ड ऑन ओम्स लॉ एंड सर्किट डायग्राम. आई होप कि ये टॉपिक आपको समझ में आया हो. एंड मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आप सभी से, आप इसको अच्छे से अपनी कॉपीज में नोट डाउन कीजिएगा, और अपनी जो एनसीईआरटी की बुक है उसमें जो भी क्वेश्चंस आपको मिलते हैं इस बेस्ड ऑन दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट, उन्हें आप सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. अगर आपको सॉल्व नहीं हो पाते हैं क्वेश्चंस, तो देन यू कैन सेंड मी एंड आई विल सेंड यू द सॉल्यूशन. थैंक यू.